We're back with a brand new product just in time for the holidays. So this is the Kenmore SpotLite Go cleaner. Let's open this up and talk a little bit about it. So when they say SpotLite Go, what they mean is that spots. So for instance, if you've got any pets or other type of creatures that might cause you trouble in your home, then this device here is a great option to help take care of it. So this is the actual box. You can see here, you have the device, SpotLite Go, deep spot cleaning for unexpected messes. It's incredibly portable, it's heated. So yeah, let's open this up. The heating specifically is designed to give it that deeper stain penetration. And it's got a hose cleaning tool, as well as a 3.5 foot extender. So inside the box we have a manual. They give you even some deep clean revitalizer lotion. Ooh, accessories. Got a head, a clip, another clip, okay. So really well protected. It's inside the box. It's a very snug fit. And then it's wrapped in this paper-like material. Pieces that come out are also wrapped in it. All right, so this is the dirty water tank. This is the clean water and solution tank. You've got buttons for normal, heated, and then cycling through modes. On the backside here, you've actually got a really cool tool for organizing the cord. Let's see here. Let's change this a little bit. It's having a hard time with that one. That's much easier. And then of course, at the end of the cord, there's a little clip that allows you just to clip the cord onto the cord, and your cord is all manageable there. This is your actual hose unit. You can attach your suction head on there. You got a trigger, it looks like, for spraying the solution. And then this comes off with the push of this button, then locks into place.